Safety is always a high priority when working with heavy equipment. Operators report that poor visibility often contributes to unwanted contact, with the rear blind spot being the biggest problem. The surround camera system helps reduce blind spots, increase safe operation, and maintain site productivity. Let's take a closer look at the CAT Surround Camera System. The surround camera system is a rugged safety technology designed for job site conditions. Flexible mounting locations and up to 4 externally mounted cameras provide you with all the views your operator needs. Combined with other safety upgrades like the seatbelt reminder, this system increases safe operation and reduces cost. Cameras are integrated with the machine so that the display adjusts the on-screen image based on machine movement. Cameras can be pointed at potential blind spots or positioned to monitor attachment productivity. Surround cameras can be retrofitted onto machines from any manufacturer, so you can affordably upgrade the safety and productivity of your entire fleet. You can work with your CAT dealer to install surround cameras. Surround camera installation kits are flexible, so it's easy to customize the system to your specific application. The increased visibility you gain from surround cameras will increase safe operation, reduce the need for spotters, lowering risk and labor costs, help avoid accidents and related downtime, and boost operator confidence and productivity. It's a great return on your investment. Talk to your dealer about improving your fleet's safety and productivity with CAT safety upgrades like CAT Surround Cameras.